Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Meah, and today we're going to be doing Senegalese twist, rope twist type. We'll see what they look like once I'm done. So I have no clue what I'm doing, to be 100% honest. Like before, we're just gonna go with the flow and see what they look like. This will be 100% beginner friendly because I honestly feel like if I can do it, you can do it. And even if I look crazy, I'm still posting the video because it's all about trial and error. Just like before, you guys are just gonna be on this journey with me. Thank you for watching and please enjoy the video. Oh, wait. Please subscribe if you're new here. Stop, subscribe right now. Give me a thumbs up. It's really appreciated. Thank you. Bye.
Braiding hair. I used Hollywood braid. It's basically 3 packs in one. I love this hair because it's so manageable and it also comes pre-stretched. All other items and information will be in the description box. First, I'm parting out the front of my hair because I wanted the back kind of bigger because I wasn't trying to sit here all day. I don't have time for that. So I'm gonna do my back just a little bigger than my front, and it actually works for me personally because I hate uniform hair. I don't like hair that's too neat. I want it to kind of look thrown together but still super cute, if that makes any sense. The clip of the back of my head, as you can see, what I was saying, the back is kind of large parts. You're going to add edge control all around your square and then a part across within the square. Take the braiding hair and lay it across the part. Now take section 1, and how I was telling my brain to twist, I basically was one hand twist up and the other hand twist down. And sometimes my hands wouldn't listen to my brain, but the more I did it, the more my hands got used to what I was trying to tell them to do. So it was a struggle at first, but just keep trying and trust me, everything will be fine. Remember, ladies, if this is your first time, don't be too hard on yourself. And so you keep continuing to twist down. The thing about these twists is that if you're not twisting right, you can tell because it's not going to give a rope effect. It will kind of look like a twisty. So that's how I could tell if I was doing it wrong. I just kept checking what the actual twist looked like. And as you twist, be sure to add edge control. I was being extremely stingy with my edge control because the beauty supplies are closed right now, and this jar needs to last me until this whole quarantine thing is over. If you got it like that, use way more edge control than I did. I actually kept switching from edge control to gel just so I could kind of stretch it. So now that you're done with the back, let's move to the front. The first thing that I always do is style my baby hair. I'm a fan of lots and lots of baby hair, so you definitely don't have to do as much as me. I wanted my part in the middle, so I sectioned my hair off into two. Here's a closer look. Y'all, my comb broke, so do not judge me, okay? It was the struggle. I did not know my hair was that thick. It actually broke the comb. But yeah, so now I'm just using the middle part at this point. I'm using way more edge control for the front. That was most important to me because that's what people actually see when they look at you. So I'm like, okay, the front have to be neat. Like, I got to get it together by the time I hit the front. Same thing, use braiding hair. Put it in the part and twist. One part you twist up, and then the other part you twist down. And then you twist both together. If you have to be a little skimpy on the edge control like me, I would suggest just make sure you use a lot in the beginning and towards the end of your natural hair, just so it won't frizz up. But if you have it like that, use it the entire twist. I wanted my twist super long, so I had to put the twist in my mouth in order to twist it because my arms can only go so far. This is just me showing you that I use the edge control for the very bottom, so it won't unravel. If you are using baby hair like me, make sure that when you do add the edge control, you go in the same direction as your baby hair so you won't mess up the baby hair. Y'all, there go my handy dandy toothbrush. I'll get an edge brush eventually. But with the part between the square, I didn't really like how I left the indentation. So this is just me messing with it. Brush it out until it's gone. Just keep messing with it and eventually go away. Oh my god, I love this hair so much. It came out perfect, like exactly what I wanted. It's super long. I'm about to be slaying in somebody's living room, okay? This is just me showing you how long they are. Butt length, basically. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Or just leave a nice comment and say hi. I love talking to all my subscribers. Thank you.